Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. My tummy is really full. I've had a nice big dinner right now, but I just don't think I'll be able to sleep without my dessert. So today I'm going to show you how to make a dairy-free, sugar-free ice cream. And I have it right here, right now in front of me. That is my ice cream. And I've just thrown in a few of raspberries in it. So I'm going to take a little taste test now. Here you go. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh God. Dairy free, sugar free. And so, as always, let's go into my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with the recipe. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 can of coconut milk or coconut cream. I have used banana extract. You can also use vanilla extract. I just thought I'll try something new. And that's my almond milk. And that's my sweetener. I've used xylitol, and that's it. That's all we need to make yummilicious ice cream. So just begin by emptying your can of coconut milk into a big bowl, which is already in the bowl, but the bowl is white so you can't see it. To this I've added my almond milk and then my sweetener. Please do see that your sweetener is completely like icing sugar. So put it, if it's granular, put it into the blender and make it completely. Otherwise you'll have horrible grainy ice cream. So that's in it goes. Now we put in our banana essence. I've put that in. You can also put in vanilla extract, or the possibilities are endless. You can put lots of things. That's what I wanted to tell you about this recipe. If I want to make this chocolate ice cream, I would have added some cocoa powder. If you want to make it into a mint ice cream, I would have put a little bit of green coloring and a bit of mint. Extract. Okay, so what's very important is that I put a little pinch of salt. I don't know why it helps, but it certainly does in anything sweet. And that's my new ice cream maker. I'm really excited about it. I never thought that I would need an ice cream maker, but it's made a world of a difference. You have to see that the bowl of your ice cream maker has stayed in the freezer overnight, and then you just pour in the mixture and allow the machine to do its own job. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can put this into a dish that can go into the freezer, and every half an hour, 45 minutes, just give it a big mix and then again put it into the freezer and repeat this 3-4 times till you get the consistency you like. And now after 25 to 30 minutes in my ice cream machine, here is my ice cream. Oh my God, just look at that. Just look at that. I mean, I'm so excited about my machine. Honestly, I love it. It's new and I'm just loving it. Okay, so thank you and do subscribe to my channel. Bye then. Take